This EPPIC tutorial will cover the creation of force overlaps. By default, EZAir summates all the forces on all live wall cells. In the case of two or more overlapping walls, this may lead to the force in the overlapping area being added multiple times. A force overlap defines a region where walls from different grids overlap. The force overlap is needed to prevent any double pressure integration, i.e., the summing of two or more walls in the same area. To create a force overlap, select two zones from the simulation's item list. Then click the Force Overlap button. The Force Overlap Options panel will open up on the right-hand side of the screen. The cells of the zone in the Zone to Keep section will participate in force summation. The cells of the zone in the Zone to Remove section will not participate in force summation. The zone chosen to be kept in the simulation should be the finer wall. To switch between the removed and kept zone, click the Swap Zones button. Once created, restrict the force overlap to the coinciding area to reduce computational time. Do this by adjusting the range of each zone using the slide bars for each variable. EZAir will search for the force overlap in the restricted area. You can change the display setting and color of each face by using the respective buttons. You can also use the Possible Force Overlap tool to auto-detect possible force overlaps. Before searching, change angle and distance tolerances as needed, and click the Search button to auto-detect possible overlaps. A warning prompt will pop up. Click Yes to search. Suggestions for force overlaps will appear on the right. Select one of the suggestions and click Create to create the suggested force overlap.